Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Hi, my name is Ramon de Villar, and I'm coming at you today from Lancaster, PA, South Central region of Pennsylvania. And it's a beautiful day out today. It's gonna hit 80 degrees. That's what the forecast says. I'm just trying to enjoy the rest of my day right after I shoot this video. Sun's out, and the fall colors are so beautiful. Well, anyway, I'm here to talk to you today about Questra Holdings. It's something that I've been doing with my partners, and we really like it. We love it. We're actually earning income from this company, and I've been posting certain posts on my Facebook page, and not everybody understands what it is exactly that we're doing, um, why we are involved. And I would like to explain to you today what it is and why we are involved with Questra. I'm not going to give you a full presentation. I'm going to give you a really short version, a short explanation of what Questra is. And here we go. You can read along with me if you like to. Questra Holdings Inc. is an investment fund where 25 fund managers handle in Forex and initial public offerings. The company has been successfully active since 2009 and currently has 158 employees. In the near future, offices will be open in Bern, Vienna, London, Moscow, and Berlin. 87% of transactions executed are successful and average 4 to 6% weekly. Cooperation with Bloomberg. A trust bond allows for portfolio transfers without Bloomberg supervision. That means they don't have to physically come into the office, and we could send them all the information they need, or all our files. A complete thorough audit was executed and was awarded the Certificate of Good Standing. Your investment is insured with a value in the insurance fund of $54 million divided over. I'm not going to go to the next slide because I just want to give you a brief explanation of what Questra is. You can start anywhere from 90 euro all the way up to 65,000, 100, 250,000, 500,000, and more. You buy manager service and receive 52 weeks of weekly profits in your account, which you can withdraw or reinvest at any time. After 365 days, your portfolio expires. Okay, so that's that part of it. So another explanation is we have investment plans. Okay, these investment plans are called suitcases, and you're gonna see why we call them that here in a moment. Well, not why, but they call them suitcases. Okay. And here we are. We are here at the Questra calculator. I just want to tell you that what I'm gonna do here are estimates. Okay. This is an estimated an example, an estimated example of what you could be earning when you invest. Now, we have the white, the yellow, the green, the blue, the red, the black, and indigo. All these colors have a value in euros. Okay. Hopefully, you will forgive me if I ever say dollars, but everything here, all the numerical values here are in euros. Okay, just to let you know. We have a 52-week investment plan, right? It's a year, which your investment plan expires in a year, but depending on which ones you pick, you can withdraw your money weekly. Actually, from the white and beyond, from the white suitcase and beyond, you can take your money out weekly if you so choose to. And if you start with this, the standard investment, this investment is for 90 euros, and you won't be able to take out your money until the end of the 365 days. But the white one, the yellow, the green, the blue, the red, the black, and the indigo, you can take out at the end. You can take out every week. So I just want to be clear about that. You can take out every week. Income disclaimer: all profit and examples that are calculated here are estimates only, which you probably can earn. Profit shares are dependent on the operating results and cannot be guaranteed. Risk warning. Questra Holdings underlies economical and enterprising risk like every company. Therefore, it is possible to lose all your money or part of it. You shouldn't spend money which you cannot afford to lose, which is a fair warning. But we're entrepreneurs, right? That's what we are. We're risk takers. But we take educated risk. It's not a crapshoot. You know what I mean? You study, you look at the company, you find their history. Questra's been around since 2009. So they'll be around for a while. Okay, so let's get started here with the calculator. I'm going to start off with one suitcase which has the value of 90 euros, as you see there. So I'm going to type in here 1. Well, let me delete the 0. And I'm going to type in 1. Okay. And there we are. And then I'm going to hit, once this refreshes, let's refresh this page. Okay, so I got that. Backspace. And 1 and enter. Okay, now let's calculate. Okay, so as you see here, we've invested 90 euros. Okay, so this is about 4%. $3.60 is 4% of 90. So what happens is we average about $3.60 a week when you invest $90. And as you see here, it goes into your account and it keeps on building and building and building and building and building until you hit another 90. Once you have accumulated 90 euros in your account, you can buy another white suitcase, and then you have 2 working for you. Then you have 2 of them. So instead of earning $3.60 as you see here, you're earning $7.20 per week. Okay? So that's not really such a big deal, but it does build. And as you can see, the more you make per week, obviously, the shorter the period gets between the $90 accumulation. You see? So instead of waiting 26 weeks to hit 90, once you hit $7.20 a week, you only have to wait a couple of weeks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. About 14 weeks, you see? Okay, so I suggest if you can do more than 90, then try doing that, or invest every month a little bit at a time, whatever you can do. Here at this point, we went from having 2 of the white suitcases, to actually buying 1 more suitcase, right? And that gives us a yellow suitcase. That puts out our investment at 270 euros, okay? That means that the yellow suitcase is worth 270 euros. Okay, wonderful, wonderful. So, this is really great, because at this point you're earning over $10. That's $11.34, and as you can see, the gap between the 90 euros, it gets smaller. You see what I'm saying? The gap between the 90 euros gets smaller because you're earning more per week. Okay. So, and then so on. Once you have the 3, you accumulate another 90. You buy 1 more. That gives you 4. So that means you have $360 invested, invested. And at this point, you have 1 yellow suitcase and 1 white one working for you. So that's about $15 a week. So from a $90 investment, by the end of the year, you should have $360. Okay. Now, for your one-time investment to quadruple what you put in is not bad. I wouldn't complain about that. But let's see what happens when you put in about $2,000. I mean, I'm a dreamer. I like to dream a little bit. You know, let me see what happens here. So let's take a let's take a green one which is worth 810. One yellow one. Oh wait, let me type in the one. Okay, and put this right here. Uh-huh. And go. And great, and let's see. Let her rip. Uh-huh. Okay. All right. So that's still 1,100. Okay. So okay, let's do two the green. Go back, plug in a 2, and we're good. And calculate. Got that. Got that. Okay, here we go. This is as close as we're gonna get, to like $2,000. And I wanted to give you this example only because I want you to see what the possibilities are. Okay. Um, if you have 1,980 euros invested, you're making about $90 a week. Okay, about $90 a week. So you're you're buying you're buying practically a suitcase every week. So $2,000. You know, if you have the ability to invest $2,000, I would. And here we go. See, so at this point you start earning over $100. You know, here we go. Let's look at week 5. You're making $104 right here. 121. Okay, those numbers are good. That's not bad. For a one-time investment. Uh, week 22, you're making about $250 a week. Okay, which is not bad at all. But here's where I want to get to. By the end of the year, you'll be making $1,045.62, okay, per week. This is per week, okay? And here's the beauty of it. You can take out 50% of your income and leave the other 50% growing. Don't you just love that? That's amazing. I love it. I love it. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take this 22,000. I'm gonna try to see. Let me see. What are these? Okay, so that's a black one, one black one. Okay, one black one, 2 yellow and 2 white. Okay, I'll just do it like that. So okay, black. Bet on black, huh? On black one. Like that. Got a 2. Okay, so yeah. So basically, when I first started, I thought I had to put in a number, monetary value in here, and no, it's just 1s, 2s, and 3s because the value is the color or the suitcase has its own value. So if that makes any sense. Okay. So 2 white suitcases, 2 yellow suitcases. Let me delete this green one. Okay. You gotta type in a 0 or else it's not gonna work. That'll keep it there. Okay. So 1 black one, 2 yellow, 2 white. Okay. Let's hit calculate. There, right there. Okay. See, it deleted it. Let's try it one more time. that one. Okay. Just bear with me here. And let's hit calculate. Okay. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay. That's over. We can just change that real quick. Okay. So yeah, you know, you invest one time and you let it grow. This isn't one of those things where you're gonna get rich overnight, but it's a lot sooner than never, you know? So let's see. Okay. Okay. This is as close as I got to the number of the previous year. So this is your second year. Okay. Uh, okay, one black one, two yellow, and two white. And with 22,590 euros invested, this is your profit per week. Per week, okay? You're living off that. At this point, you take out half of that, and that's about $700. Okay, that's about $700 a week, and you leave the other amount in there growing if you want to. Okay, this is really the sweet spot for me, and at $2,000 because I would like to pull out of my account $1,000 per week at least. So, and that is week 10. Okay, that is week 10. Now, this is the second year of your $2,000 investment. Now, some people actually have the $22,000, you know, right off the bat. they have it to invest, but I'm not one of those people. So, you know, I have to wait a little while. Okay. Um. So I want to show you something really interesting. And you see this here, this week 10. Keep that in mind. I'm gonna plug it in up here. So I want 50% payout. Delete that. And let's go to 5 and 50. Okay. And I want it from week 10 to week 52. Okay, from week 10. Okay. Until week 52. Okay, great. Okay. Now, here we go. Okay. Remember, I told you we'd be making over $1,000 a week. Now look at what happens. Look at what happens on week 10. You're withdrawing $1,055, and you're leaving $1,055 in the account. Okay. So keep on going, moving up. Now I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. Okay. This is half of your weekly earning. That 1,000. So we got that. We got that. I know you guys are smart. It's half. Okay. It's freaking fascinating. Now, as we move down, you see that 50%. Your 50% that you're pulling out is growing, isn't it? It's growing, and this number is growing because the half that you're leaving in, the part that you're leaving in of your earnings, is still growing for you. So imagine this. Imagine this. Wow. At this point, you're taking out half your weekly earnings, and you're making $3,000 per week. Okay? Per week. Don't you love math? I do. $3,000 per week. That is freaking amazing. 3 times 12 is a heck of a lot of money. Yeah, I mean, wow. I mean, no, 3 times 52, because this is per week. So times 4, that's 12. 12 times 12. Okay, 3,000 times 4 is about $12,000. 12,000 times 12,000 is $144,000. $144,000. Just letting it accumulate. Okay, that's freaking staggering. Look at your investment here. It's $127,000. That's how big it's grown, and you can cash it out. You can cash it out anytime. So, it's freaking awesome. I love this company. I hope this was informative. I hope this opened up your imagination a little bit. And I want to thank you for watching. I want to thank you for watching. Uh, if you want to learn more, just contact me. Let me know you're interested in learning more. And, God bless. Take care. And have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.